welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry that I missed a week without a video, but I had such a hectic week last week. I just did not have time to even film a video, let alone upload one. Today I just want to do a tutorial, an eyeshadow one of just like a nice light peachy kind of tone on my eyes. So I've got a couple of bits here to use. That I've got a couple of NYX eyeshadows here that I wanted to try out. This one here is in the shade Girl Talk, and this one here is in the shade Golden Peach. I don't know whether or not I will use the Girl Talk one, it looks a bit too pinky, but I definitely want to give that one a go. I've also got this here, which is a blush highlighter by Lacquer & Co. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. L-A-Q-A. But I got it in my Birchbox maybe a couple of months ago, but that's the shade of it there. It's really nice. I'll just give a little bit of a... You can see that, is it? It's really nice. It's very shimmery. I don't know whether or not I might just put that on and maybe put a bit of the eyeshadow over it, but it's quite nice. It says like blush and highlighter, but I guess that you could probably give it a go on your lips and maybe your eyes as well, but we'll test it out and we'll see what it looks like. I've also got a Morphe palette. I think it's this one that I wanted to, yeah. This one here, I think I'm going to start it off with maybe one of these light shades and then go in with the peach there, and then maybe put a bit of the golden peach just on the lid with maybe a bit of the blush highlighter. I haven't quite decided yet. We'll get into the eyeshadow tutorial now, so check it out. So I've just prepped my eyes now with, I like to put concealer around my eyes that helps, which definitely helps with eyeshadow application. And I also then put a like a setting powder then just underneath my eyes. It's just a cheap Primark one that I use, and it works great for me. So we'll get into the tutorial now. everything on and see what it looks like. Okay guys, this is the finished look that I've got for you. As you can see, there's the peachy, like pinky kind of colour that I've put on my eyes. I've also put the rest of my makeup on, and I finished it off with the Sophie X, which is the Makeup Revolution by Sophie Does Nails. He's a big YouTuber, and this is in the shade Syrup. It's lush, it's really nice, it's really, really creamy as well. And I'm not a big fan of the cream like lipsticks, but this one actually looks really nice. I'm actually really pleased with the finish of it, and it just feels so nice on my lips as well. I've also gone in on my lashes with the Benefit, where have I put it? The Benefit Bang Girl Bang mascara, which is an awesome mascara. I actually convinced one of my friends to buy it over the weekend when we were in Birmingham, because another one of my friends was who actually gets the Birchbox, received one of these, and she had it on one day, and I legit thought she had fake lashes on, and she said it was this mascara. Still Roller Lash is still my favourite, but this one, I definitely go for this one if I'm going for more of on a night out or for dinner or anything like that. I'll definitely go for the Bad Girl Bang one. It's got more of a pop in your eyes. And then I also then finished them off with the Ardell individual lashes that I love using. Just wanted to go for more of a peachy toned kind of style for you. If you did enjoy it, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really, really does help. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I would be over the moon if you just click that subscribe button for me. I'm really, really close to 100 subscribers, which is amazing, so thank you so much to every one of you. There's definitely more exciting videos to come, which I cannot wait to start filming. I've had some great ideas for some videos recently, and also it's getting very close to Halloween season, which is like my favorite season, so I'm definitely gonna start doing some more special effects looks going on for you. I'm so excited for it, can't wait. Follow me on my Instagram, which is Holly with an IE, that's the most important bit, .rutter, and then follow me on my Twitter account, which is Holly_makeup. And until next time guys, take care.